If you've ever edited a video by yourself, you already know how long it can take. Trimming pauses, fixing mistakes, dragging clips, and it's already midnight. But what if I tell you those days are over? AI video editing is here, and it's insanely fast. With Descript, you can literally edit videos like a Google Doc, add captions, improve audio quality, create social clips easy and fast. It's one of the most powerful AI video editing tools I've tested, and today, we're going to cover 8 features of Descript that can save you hours every week, even if you're not a pro editor. You can sign up for completely free from the link below and start testing these features today. Alright, the first feature is automatic transcription. Just upload any video or audio file, and Descript will transcribe it in a matter of seconds. It even detects different speakers, supports accents in multiple languages, also gives you speaker labels automatically. Once Descript transcribes your video, now it is ready for editing. The next 2 features I'm going to show you speeds up your editing significantly with the Descript's AI-powered engine called Underlord. Before Underlord, editing videos was painful. You had to go through every single silence, find all the accidental ramblings, and manually cut them out on the timeline, one by one. This repetitive task takes hours to finish. But now, Underlord handles all of that for you. Think of it as your smart editing assistant that instantly tightens your video without you doing the heavy lifting. 2. Shorten word gaps. With the Shorten word gaps feature, Underlord scans your transcript, detects all the pauses over a certain length, and closes them up in a single click. It's like speed editing magic. And the best part? You're in control. You can adjust the threshold for what counts as a word gap. Maybe you want to remove anything longer than 500 milliseconds, or maybe you prefer keeping some natural breathing room, let's say over a second. Just set it here and preview the results instantly. This feature alone makes your content sound more confident and energetic. 3. Remove filler words and retakes. The other feature to speed up your editing is removing filler words and retakes. Normally, finding these and editing them out is brutal. You either sit through your entire video trying to catch them, or worse, you leave them in and your content feels less polished. Underlord solves this with just one click. When you run the Remove Filler Words tool, Descript highlights all the bad takes and verbal clutter in your transcript. Then you choose whether to delete them automatically or one by one. And that's not all. There's also retake detection, which is perfect for solo creators or podcasters. If you mess up a line and start over mid-recording, Descript's Underlord detects those retakes for you. It flags them in the transcript so you can jump straight to those points and decide whether to keep, cut, or re-record. No timeline scrubbing required. Together, these 2 tools can cut your editing time significantly, especially for unscripted content or long talking head videos. But keep in mind that AI isn't always perfect. If Descript ever removes something you actually want to keep, or skips a pause you'd prefer to trim, you can always take it back, or edit manually by following along in the transcript. So whether you want to edit lightning fast with AI or fine-tune your content line by line, Descript gives you both. 4. Add stock visuals and music. Do you need B-rolls or background music? Descript gives you a built-in library of royalty-free stock footage and music. No need to search third-party websites to find free visuals anymore. You can search, drag, and drop visuals and music right into your timeline directly inside Descript. It makes filling gaps in your video faster and way more convenient. However, if you need an unlimited access to stock footage, you need to upgrade your plan to Creator or above. 5. Auto Captions. The next feature is Auto Captions. Especially for short-form content, captions are more important than ever, and Descript makes them automatic. It instantly generates captions with impressive accuracy, and you can style them however you want. Change fonts, colors, background shapes, and add word highlights or animations. This alone boosts accessibility and makes your videos way more professional and engaging. Next up, social clips. Before Descript, you had to manually watch your long-form video, find good moments, cut them, and upload to social media by yourself. Now Descript handles it for you. Just select how many clips you would like to have and their duration, and Underlord will pick the most viral-worthy moments from your video. Once it generates the clips, you'll find them under Compositions. You can always edit them further if you prefer, including the transcript, text, font size, and auto captions. From one video, you'll have multiple auto-generated clips, ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This feature is one of the easiest ways to repurpose long videos into multiple social clips with no extra tools. Feature number 7, Studio Sound. Descript comes with a feature to improve your audio quality called Studio Sound. Just toggle it on, and it removes background noise, echo, boosts your voice, and makes your audio sound professionally recorded, even if you're using a basic mic. Since you're listening to an AI-generated voice, you won't notice a difference of the Studio Sound feature, but there is a quick demo link in the description below that tests this feature on a real environment. If you want to hear it, make sure to check it out. Last but not least, once your editing is done, Descript can help you publish faster. You can generate video chapters for your YouTube video from Descript. You can select the number of chapters you would like to have, and it generates chapters with timestamps based on your transcript, saving you some time during the upload process. Descript has a free plan with limited features, so you can sign up and try it out for completely free. Later, if you decide to use this tool, you can upgrade your account to a plan based on your requirements. You'll find the link below if you want to start for free or check the plans. So to recap, we covered 8 powerful AI features inside Descript that can help you transcribe your video, speed up your editing with Underlord, add captions, create shorts and reels fast, improve audio quality in one click, and even creates chapters for YouTube. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!